Hey guys, this is Alex from ConvertLead. Welcome to your Prospector dashboard. In this short video, I will try to explain you real quick how the new LinkedIn module works and how to get it up and running in a few minutes. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you download our Chrome extension. You can do so by clicking this button right here. Then open your Chrome browser. Go to Chrome extensions and load your extension, the one you just downloaded. Make sure you unzip it and load just the unzipped folder. Select it, click on select folder, and you should be able to see our ConvertLead logo and description in the extension box. Now go to LinkedIn, and what you should know is that our extension only pulls data from people searches, so use the search engine to look for decision makers in different companies. Let's go with CEO at Fiverr, and you will notice that LinkedIn sometimes limits your search results because you've reached the search limit, the monthly search limit. So make sure you don't abuse the extension and that you use it in the right way, because you will have to be logged into your LinkedIn account to be able to pull the data. So once you have the results, make sure you click on people, left top right here. Then click the extension icon and click Prospector. Log in into your Prospector account. I'll just use the testing account I have right here. And once you log in, you should be able to see these two buttons and the logo of ConvertLead. Just click on Start Scraping, and the extension will start pulling data from your search results. You can of course stop the scraping whenever you want, and the data that were scraped will still be sent to our ConvertLead Prospector dashboard. So let's see what happens. You will notice that we go through all of those profiles, and then we look into their company profiles, their history, and take as much data as we can from these LinkedIn pages. This will help us discover the best emails, the best data we need to get them scored, and to have a verified email that won't bounce back on you. So there you go. The first profile was scraped. So for the sake of this video, I'll just stop the scraping, click on stop, and then go back to my Prospector dashboard and click refresh. And as you can see, the data was pulled into my dashboard, and what I have to do now is go to folders, create a new folder if you want. Let's call it Fiverr CEO, give it a description, CEO LinkedIn search. Save the folder or add a preloaded messenger content if you want to preload your outreach Facebook Messenger script. Then select the leads you want to keep. In this case, I only have one, so I'll select this one. Then select the folder and select move to folder. Successfully added to folder. Then check your folder, and you should be able to see the enriched lead. As you can see, we have the website link, the website URL, the LinkedIn profile, the email. This is a personal email, a business email that they are using, which means you will probably get a response back from this guy. We have the scoring of the company. This is showing you how bad their marketing is, and the lower the score, the better the marketing. So this lead is actually not that good. They have a pretty bad score, buyer intent score. So yeah, it's Fiverr, so they are good at marketing. We can see follower count, the address or job description in this case, and we can export the lead, open our AI widget, create scripts, so we can outreach them by clicking the email icon. We can send outreach messages by clicking the email icon, and do a few other things in here. We can also enable the full ConvertLead CRM platform by clicking on this button if you don't have it yet, and access a few other features from the main menu. Anyway, this is all about the Prospector LinkedIn edition. I hope you like the tool, and if you need any help, don't forget to message us on our support desk. Take care, and I'll see you later.